as of the lubrication of the machine, some things are important to be lubricated. The things that needs to be lubricated, I'm speaking about the things that need to be lubricated manually on the machine. In this case, that's going to be the boring head. The lubrication points are right here on the top. Those 3 lubrication points. And we are using this grease. Isoflex Topaz L32M. It has to be that grease. It's also written right here.
Okay.
That's
very
the grease.
important.
That grease. The grease goes into the greasing gun where you have a fitting and you can just pump it inside.
How many pumps?
It's going to be 1 pump each every 40 working hours.
1 pump each every 40. Okay. Do you see it coming out any place? Or you just do the 1 pump and you're good?
Just the 1 pump.
Right.
Then you have the other type of the grease, which is called Paralic GA3400. This is for the automatic lubrication. That grease goes. That grease goes into this container right here. The greasing point for that container is below, it's behind this switch. You can maybe put a phone there to find it. Should be a greasing point all the way there down behind the switch. All the way behind.
On that side?
Yeah, on the other side of the switch.
So we grease it.
Try recording from this side. Should be able to see it. Right there. Should be a greasing point.
Yep, I see it. Yeah, right behind there.
Same thing with a pump. You install this type of the grease inside the greasing gun and then just pump it inside to fill this one.
Oh, to fill that. How can you tell when it's full?
So it has a maximum level right here. It's written. You see it?
Yeah, hold your finger to it again.
Alright, so down. Right?
Right there, okay, I see it.
Alright, that's the maximum level.
Okay.
Then you also have the minimum level right here on the left side.
Okay. Right there, yeah, I see it.
So minimum level. Now, you are only topping this one up when it comes to the minimum.
Okay.
So only when it reaches all the way back to the minimum, that's when you want to refill it all the way back to the top.
Using that.
Using
spot
that.
down there, okay.
Four of these tubes are fitting inside this
Four
one.
of them.
4 of them you need to actually fill it all the way to the up. It takes, probably it's going to take around a year to actually spend this.
Okay, so we got to pump a bunch in once it gets to the minimum.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't want to pump back in when it comes to half, because that means the new grease will come here and then the old grease will always stay on the back.
Yeah.
You want to spend all the grease, then pump the new one.
Okay. Use it all, then pump new in.
Right.
Okay. Is
And
that
then-
all for
Yeah,
greasing?
all for the greasing.